Tired of vacation requests getting lost in the black hole of HR? Let's cut the chaos and get your time off approved with ease using UKG Workforce. First, fire up your computer and head to your company's unique UKG Workforce Central login page. You'll need your employee ID and password to get started. Once you are on the homepage, look for the My Calendar tab, usually located on the top navigation bar. Give that a click. This is your time off command center. On the calendar view, you'll spot a Request Time Off button, usually in the upper right-hand corner. Select this option and a new window will pop up. Now choose the type of time off you're requesting from the drop-down menu. This could be vacation, sick time, personal day, or something else defined by your company. Next, carefully select your start and end dates using the calendar tool. Double-check these. Accuracy is key. For partial days, specify the start and end times using the provided fields. Then, in the comment section, it's good practice to add a brief explanation of why you are taking time off. Before submitting, glance at your time off balances, usually displayed on the same request form or nearby. This ensures you have enough accrued time for your request. Avoiding potential denials. When you're confident everything looks right, click the Submit button. This sends your request to your manager for approval. Back on your calendar view, you'll now see your request marked as pending. UKG Workforce typically sends an email notification when your request is approved or denied. But you can also track its status right here. Navigate back to the My Calendar section to see any updates to your request. Look for icons or color coding that indicates the status. Remember, approval workflows vary by company, so understanding yours is crucial. And that's it. You've successfully submitted a time off request in UKG Workforce. Now go enjoy your well-deserved break.